Hello guys, hello everyone. This time we will discuss something much more exciting. Today, for all of you who might already be workers, have a busy lifestyle and maybe like to rush around working, it's time for you to listen to this podcast. So for those of you who are busy, let's listen to this podcast until the end. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurrodia Siregar, and today I was with my friend.
Hello guys, my name is Chinmutia Bakis and have a good day and see you.
See you. Today we went to chat a little about yoga, which has a little to do with mental health. Because earlier, as I said earlier, I welcome my friend home because maybe they were busy so they forgot to calm down for a moment. Why is it why is it that yoga is always identified with inner peace and is also related to mental health?
So if you do yoga yourself, actually yoga is the same feeling and observing yoga is the same as Eastern sport, meaning that is come from the East, right? From India, we also have Silat sport and so on, which are almost the same. So actually doing yoga itself has several levels. The first level of asana is more physical. We can see the movements and so on. Maybe people see yoga, some somersault and so on. It's meant to strengthen of psyche. After that, we will enter the second level, namely breathing. Where we process the breath. How we breathing before the health waiting. If it's outside the physical outside, then finally there is our actual meditation. Prepare us psychically because in the meditation we have to do some kind of self-introspection, like stopping for a moment from our activities. So the slow movements of the breath really help. How we listen to our breath is very helpful in meditation. Actually, I look at my mental health because we might be tired at work and in fact, perhaps the first things that is suitable is yoga movements because yoga is actually more about stretching. And we will stretch the stiff muscles, for example, from the shoulder. Usually when we work, we play on our laptop with our shoulder and the finger, or maybe we often play with our cell phones with our thumbs. There, we need stretching from there will be try breathing, then we'll on to meditation and so on. Mental health really is we take time we take for ourselves to maintain our health by maintaining our health. Of course, of mental health will also be maintained, especially the health of our wallet maybe. is different from the other sport. Maybe in the middle, for example, like football, we run fast and stop and then run again. Like that, but if the flow continues from the beginning to the end, the movement is fluid, so the last lap will be like that. So what do you want to lap? And so in the middle, it's rare for anyone to lap together. For example, other sport can be so busy, like tennis or what is so busy, right? But is but yoga isn't from the start. The movement was flowing because it kept flowing until the end, and we get tired and we start learning with like actually we should focus on yoga because yoga teacher that there will be balance. How to balance? You have to focus on finding a focal point. So we actually forget about MPT, pocket, and so on. But we will finish it. We remember again.
Okay, actually, why yoga can make us more relaxed is move the movements are slow, like walking.
That's right. The yoga alone not is competition. Unlike other sport, for example, playing with and quietly have some kind of competition. Oh, can he get the quickly or is he going up a hill like that? We have competition, right? But if you is basically now allow we have to understand ourselves. If we can do one movement or one pose, we can do another pose or another alternative. For example, yoga has a difficult movement and there are several stages to get there. So we know that if we can do it done first, but is for example is another sport because there's some kind of competition even so there isn't any direct competition. For example, if we're playing in a group, is all the role is you know with whether we like is or not. Wow, he can do it. He'll be motivated if we don't do yoga. We really be on our way. Like, well, it's like that.
For example, if I join yoga, since I have been taking part in several classes for IVD too. Three are tools wow can already do I handstand and are and are already very good. And it even took I was frequently like that. I was also insecure, right?
No, we can be like that. Surely that now our target, now what we're going for is not for an initiation photo like that.
That's right.
Yeah, because we want to be known by friends, I can do this movement, but it's actually not that. That's yoga at the basic level, which actually means it's more about the cycle asanas. So there you actually have to be prepared too. For example, if we do handstand with our hands down, that means we need to use our arms and so fingers, and so on. Then curl the abdominal muscles, and so on. That's not a day or two, right? Then that can take months of practice. Well, we that's actually the result of our practice. That's actually one of the bonus if we can if we come and will feel inferior. Well, just ask how many years you've been practice.
Yes, it must have been a long time.
Yes, it must have been a long time ago, so you can come straight away because you can actually do yoga yourself. The flexibility of people's bodies is different. There are people who are flexible and there are people who are rigid. Then the sickness is really stiff or stiff because he never exercises.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, well, there are people who are very flexible. I've seen friends who are very flexible, but it's also risky because they are very flexible. Sometimes they don't really realize it. So if we get injured in yoga itself, if we make injury, don't make a mistake. The moment are simple. The movement doesn't have a huge impact like that, but it's turned out to be risky. Sometimes it has an impact on the muscles and joint. So if we are in the wrong position, our joint could be affected like that. So still be careful too.
Really, even though yoga actually looks like the movements are easy and you don't sweat so much that it makes you feel like you're playing football.
Uh, well, this is important because I used to cycle. I was still cycling during the aerobic is closer to yoga. Maybe aerobic, yes. I used to have aerobic, but I saw yoga, but only like that, right? Uh, it's different from aerobics. This turn up is 1 hour. I'm tired of yoga.
Oh, yes, sis.
Yes, that's right. Your yoga is more tiring.
That's why it's like that, sis.
Yes, because that's again yoga. Even though you see there are no weights, well, it's turned up. Then in yoga, there are several movements that use weight. The burden is not just any burden on our bodies. From example, like push up, plank, like that. You can do a plank movement 10 to 15 times in one exercise, right? But the point is like that. It can be done 10 to 15 times. Is the same as if we were doing push up, right? Because what is used as burden of body like that.
Wow.
Ini this so I feel more and more here is turned out that yoga is more tiring and then aerobic.
Yes, sometimes I like to always understand, underestimate something that's possible.
That's right.
Well, maybe because we talked earlier about yoga. It turns out it has an effect on the mental health of our bodies, especially for the inner calm, right? So, in your opinion, how important is it for us to take a moment out of our busy life, whether it's doing yoga or other sport?
Mm, it's very important, especially in today's condition where we have a lot of people in the office using a lot of laptops, computer, and so on. Like exercise is very important because we are to focus. Yes, yeah, being to focus will affect our health and the stress or work pressure like that, right? So we exercise, we sweat, and we can laugh. Maybe it relax the pressure. Moreover, for example, with yoga we come calmer because we increase productivity. So in yoga, before we start, we usually sit cross-legged, regular breathing before entering, so that we condition our body to be ready to exercise. Maybe in other sport, let's say warm up, just warm up in yoga session. It's more like a kind of a session, isn't but we are part about calming ourselves and breathing, and then we breathe, and then we enter yoga session like that. So you have to be mentally prepared, so you suddenly focus on sport. No, instead don't first. Everyone was calm, everyone concentration, and we get it. It's like balance. The movements in yoga contain an element of balance. If we focus on it, it it won't be balanced. So here in yoga, now many people are interested, and in the way, yes, many young friends are opening up. There are many players, classes, studio like that. Yeah, yes, that's and how and now there are many kinds of yoga. There is hatha yoga and so on. So we just have to choose which we want. One we want.
Thank you so much, Ichut, for taking the time today. Really happy to be able to chat about yoga like this. Okay, then that's all our discussion for today. See you.
Okay, see you. Thank you so much for today.
Okay, Arwell. Bye-bye.
Bye.
20 menit, Cok.
Disiapkan.